In this video, we are going to discuss naming of coordination complexes containing cationic complex ion or anionic complex ion, even both the ion and also the non-ionic coordination complex. So first type we are going to discuss which contain the cationic ion. So this is the complex which contain the cationic ion, and now we will start the naming. So first of all, we have to write the name of the ligand with the prefix. So it is hexaamine, which contain double M, hexaamine, cobalt, oxidation state, chloride. Now we have to separately find the oxidation state. Since Cl is 3 here and each Cl carry the -1 charge, meaning the charge because of Cl3 is -3, so opposite charge is present on the complex, that is +3. Now we will equate this. X plus 6 into 0 is equal to +3. So now the oxidation state of X is +3, meaning we will write like this, Roman number. So hexaamine, cobalt, 3, chloride. We don't have to mention this as a prefix here because the use of this Cl3 is only to find out the charge over the cationic complex. Now this is 4 times water, so it is tetra aqua. Now 2 times Cl, dichlorido. Now chromium, oxidation state in the bracket, and nitrate. Now for the oxidation state, NO3 single minus, so its charge on the complex is +1. Cr is X plus 4 into 0 because water is a neutral ligand, plus 3 into -1 since 2 into -1 as Cl is a negative, which is equal to +1, and answer comes out to be +3 again. So Cr3 in the Roman number. Now the next example, which contain ethylene diamine, but in this case prefix will be tris. For the bidentate and the polydentate we use bis and tris. So it is tris ethane 1,2-diamine. In this case single M is there. Then chromium, bracket its oxidation state, chloride. So now oxidation state, En is a neutral ligand, so charge will be 0. It is -3, so it is +3. How it is -3? Each Cl carry -1, so 3 into -1 is -3 on this ion, so on the complex it will be +3. So now it is hexa aqua, chromium, all are in small letter, chloride, and the oxidation state again water is a neutral ligand, so X into 6 into 0 equal to Cl3 is -3, it will be +3. So again chromium, the most common oxidation state is +3. Now next example, this is a pentaamine. Pentaamine, now this is carbonate and then it will become carbonato, then cobalt, bracket oxidation state, outside the bracket is chloride, each chloride is -1, so it will be +1, and we know that carbonate carries the -2 charge, so here X plus 5 into 0 minus of 2 is equal to +1, so again X comes out to be 3, so like this. In this case it will be since chlorine and ethane 1,2-diamine, so alphabetical order we will follow. So it is dichlorido, bis, in bracket we will write it this one, ethane 1,2-diamine, amine is a single M amine, so dichlorido bis ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt, all are in small letter, cobalt bracket oxidation state, and then sulfate. Now sulfate carrying -2 charge, so it will carry a +2. So now CO is X plus 2 into -1 plus 0, 2 into 0 because ethane 1,2-diamine is a neutral ligand, equal to +2. So answer comes to be +4. So X comes to be 4. So next example, having cationic complex, but now it contain a bridging ligand. If this kind of dash is given, that is, it is just like this, Cr NH3 whole 5 OH, Cr NH3 whole 5 and Cl5. So this is the representation, actual representation. So now when we have to write the name, we have to first find the oxidation state of Cr, and as we know it is Cl5, so it is -5 here, so meaning charge on the complex will be +5. So now oxidation state of Cr, now there are two Cr present in this case, so we will take it as 2x plus ammonia is a neutral ligand, so 5 into 0 plus 5 into 0 will remain the 0 here only, but OH carry the -1 which is equal to +5, so overall 2x is equal to 6 or x is equal to +3. So in this case the oxidation state of chromium is +3. So now we will write the name. We will start from one end, that is pentaamine, make sure double M, pentaamine chromium, oxidation state we have calculated 3, mu hydroxo, again pentaamine, I am writing in continuation here, pentaamine, again chromium, oxidation state 3, chloride. So this is the complete name of the complex, pentaamine chromium 3 mu hydroxo. This is we have to write for the bridging ligand mu hydroxo, again pentaamine chromium 3 chloride. Now next we will discuss the naming of the anionic complex ion. Now next is the examples in which complex ion is an anion. For example here K3FeC2 whole 4 thrice. Now potassium carry the positive charge, so complex ion will carry the negative charge here. So K is +1, so it is +3, so charge on the complex ion will be -3. Now if we have to find out the oxidation state of Fe, so it will be X plus 3 into oxalate, each oxalate carry the -2 equal to -3, so X minus 6 equal to -3, so X comes out to be +3. So naming of the cation first, that is potassium trioxalato, oxalate है तो lato word आ जाएगा, and again since it is an anionic complex, then iron name change into a ferrate, 8 word is added into it, ferrate, oxidation state is 3, so it is potassium trioxalato ferrate 3. So this is the next complex. We will find the oxidation state, it is +2, so it will be -2 here, so it is X plus 4 into -1, -2 equal to -6, -2, So x comes out to be minus 6 minus 2. So x comes out to be plus 4 here. So now we will start the naming from the positive side, that is sodium. Then the ligand in the alphabetical order. This is fluorine, this is oxide. So this is tetrafluorido oxo. O stands for oxo chromate. 8 were added into the chromium and 4. So again I am repeating, sodium tetrafluorido oxo chromate, 8 because it is a negative complex, 4. So next example, again we will find out the oxidation state. K carry the plus 1, so the charge over the complex is minus 1. X for this, plus 0 for ammonia, plus 3 into minus 1 for the chlorine, and it is minus 1. So x comes out to be plus 2. So now we will write the name for it, starting from the cation part, that is potassium trichlorido, in the continuation amine platinate. Instead of platinum, platinate, oxidation state 2. So it is potassium trichlorido amine platinate 2. Next, lithium, again the plus 1 ion, so charge on complex is minus 1. Aluminium is X plus 4 into minus 1, because in case of hydrogen is taken as hydride ion, H minus, equal to minus 1. So X comes out to be plus 3. So in this case the name will be lithium tetrahydrido aluminate, oxidation state 3. Now next we will discuss the complex cation and anionic ions, in which both the complexes are cationic and anionic species. Now this is one of the example, and what is the difference between the two? The coordination number in both the cases is different. Here the platinum is having the coordination 6 and here it is having 4. Coordination number meaning number of ligand attached. So here 6, we can say it is an octahedral complex, it is a tetrahedral complex, and in general when platinum is having the octahedral complex, it possesses the oxidation state of plus 4, and when it is a tetrahedral complex, it possesses the oxidation state of plus 2. Now this is a kind of exceptional case where we only look at the geometry and assign them the oxidation state. Otherwise we will find out in the similar way we have done previously. So first of all we name the cationic species here. So it will be tetraamine dichlorido platinum, that is 4, platinum 4. Now the next one is tetrachlorido, and now the name changes into platinate 2. So again I am repeating, tetraamine dichlorido platinum 4. Why 4? Because it is an octahedral complex. This is tetrachlorido platinate 8 because it is a negative ion 2. Now again in the next example, platinum here is an tetrahedral complex because it is attached to 4 monodentate ligand. So now the oxidation state be taken as a 2 here. So now it will be tetrapyridine platinum 2, then again tetrachlorido platinate again 2. So again PY stands for pyridine. So tetra pyridine, platinum 2, tetrachlorido, platinate 2. Now these are the non-ionic complexes, so it do not contain any cation and anion, only the neutral complex is present here. So in this case, oxidation state of nickel X plus 4 into 0, because it is carrying the 0 charge neutral ligand. So overall oxidation state of nickel is 0. So it will be tetracarbonyl nickel 0. Similarly, the next one, in this case, amine is, we can say ammonia is a neutral ligand, so charge will be 0 here. NO2 is -1, so X -3, meaning plus 3 into 0 plus 3 into -1, so X comes out to be 3 here. So now the name will be triamine trinitro cobalt 3. Now next is this example, again it will be diamine dichlorido platinum. Now the oxidation state here, X plus 2 into 0 minus 2 equal to 0, so X comes out to be 2 here and 2. So this is also one of the example where it is a tetrahedral complex and oxidation state of platinum is 2.